Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to be reviewing these smart light bulbs. They're Wi-Fi smart bulbs. I just got them in the mail today from a company there on Amazon to try them out. They're actually going to allow me to do a giveaway with these. So the giveaway will end January 21st. I'll do the drawing on January 22nd. All you have to do is go to the comment section down below, say I'm in. I've never used these. I'm curious about them. Let's dive into this and see how easy it is if you order these to use them for the first time. To use this, you're going to need to go to your app store and download the Smart Life app. You can use it with Alexa or Google Home. I've got Alexa. We're going to try it out. All right, let's take this bulb out. This bulb in. Sorry, I don't have my tripod with me. The lampshade back. We're going to go down here to Smart Life. Okay, let me log in. I'm going to go up here to add new device. It's scanning. And we need to click lighting. See if we can get this thing to blink. Try it to. Oh, there we go. Now it's flashing. Okay, now I need to enter my password. That's connecting. I guess you can see the lights flashing back here behind me. Okay, device found. It's initializing in the cloud. It's connecting.
I found smart_bulb 2, and you can control it by saying, turn off smart_bulb 2.
Here, Alexa back here behind me. Complete. All right. Change the name of it. Hey Alexa, dim lamp 90%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim lamp 90%.
Okay.
Wow. Alexa, brighten lamp 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, brighten lamp 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn lamp off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn lamp on.
Okay.
All right. So there's the lamp. You can turn it off right there. All right, so you can actually schedule this to come on at certain times. You can add a schedule right here. You can set the dimness right here. Color you want it. Color you want that lamp. Pretty cool, eh? Let's see. Scene mode. Let's check this out. Try some different scenes. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Wow. So I like it. So y'all entered to win. Remember, if you're watching this video after January 21st, 2019, the giveaway has ended. Y'all get in on the giveaway, share it, tell your friends and family, and get you a free 3-pack of these smart home lights sent to you from the company. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one now. You come back. Let's change the scenes. Let's try them out here. Whoa, that's crazy. That is crazy. Whoa. Now tell me you would not like to have these in your house. Huh? That is pretty wicked right there. Let's change another scene. Which one did I do? All right. It's called Leisure. Man. Wow. Wow. That's not. Looks black and white, doesn't it? I mean, it looks pretty cool. That's Reed. That's pretty cool. Wow, y'all. I guess that'll end my video. Let's just leave it right there like that. I like that. That's pretty wicked. I like it.